CRD, student nominal, word type nominal, accuracy continuous, click analysis, then ANOVA, one-way ANOVA, then independent variable in accuracy, in fixed factor in word type, then click point abtest F equal 42.2, DF between groups equal to DF2 within groups equal 14.2, P equal less than 0.01. And as you can see in the video that the result suggests that stranded wire provides better accuracy compared to the others. For correlation, R persons 0.368 P value 0.070 means that the wire type does not have a meaningful effect on accuracy. For RCPD, first the table for student nominal, skill level nominal, tool type nominal, accuracy continuous. Once you finish the table, click the analysis ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, then put the accuracy to dependent variable, tool type, and skill level in fixed factor. As you can see in the video, means both skill level and tool type influence accuracy independently with advanced learners and certain tool type showing high scores. For factorial, firstly we add a table which consists of student nominal, wire tool nominal, tool type nominal, accuracy continuous, time minutes continuous. Then click analysis ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, then move accuracy to dependent variable, wire type, and tool type. Source, wire tool, F2.290, DF121, p-value 0.145, tool type 22.366, DF1.21, p-value less than 0.001, wire tool X tool type, F0.322, DF121, F value 0.576. For correlation accuracy and time minutes, R equals 0.881 and P equal less than 0.001, showing as the accuracy goes up, time goes down, showing clear and significant relationship.